Present day. Present time.
Hello everyone, I hope everyone's having a good day. So I went into Reddit and I was running into this same issue and I couldn't find the answer there. So I figure I'd try to figure it out on my own. So basically when you install DaVinci Resolve Studio, it gives you an error that you can't activate. I'm not gonna show mine because I don't want to risk showing my license, but I think this happens because it just needs permission to write into the basically permission to write into it, so you could write the license into. And I before this, I called the company and they told me something about a firewall, which definitely not the case. I don't think that they actually know much about Linux. The guy sounded like he was familiar with it, but he only told me only Poppy Linux. It works on Poppy Linux, but I think that person just doesn't really know his stuff quite well because I troubleshoot on my own and just things I had to do in the past for different things. And I found this command actually worked for me. Wait, not this one. So I have a copy because I used it before, but you're going to use this, which I will be pasting in the description. And as you can see, it's working because it says DaVinci Resolve Studio, even though they told me that it wasn't possible and that he didn't know what it was. Clearly he was wrong. So if you're running into this problem, by the way, I'm in Arch Linux, by the way, ha ha ha. Anyway, so if you found this helpful, please like it, and I'm pretty sure this actually works for any distro pretty much. Um, this If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video. Until next time.